troop seems totally oblivious to the imminent threat. She's exposed, yet remarkably unseen in the open. A small but significant victory. Her cub will be provided for.
It's hard to know which god selected this wildebeest. Was it random, or is it his almost imperceptible limp from last year's water crossing? It is a moment in time, and yet it is timeless. These epic battles for survival are the result of wave after wave of millions of wildebeest that pour into the waiting teeth of the just 7,000 cheetahs left on the planet.